The AI black box. Why even engineers fear it. Imagine building a machine so powerful it can predict disease, detect fraud, or even write code. Now imagine this. You don't fully understand how it works. This isn't science fiction. This is today's artificial intelligence. And at the heart of it lies something terrifyingly mysterious, the AI black box. In traditional software, every decision follows rules written by humans. If something breaks, you trace the bug, fix the logic, and move on. But in modern AI, especially deep learning, we don't program the logic, we train it, feed it millions of examples, and it figures things out on its own. The result? An ultra-powerful system that behaves like a digital brain. But the catch? We can't explain exactly why it does what it does. This is what's called the black box problem. An AI model, like GPT, DALL-E, or a medical diagnostic network, takes in data, makes decisions, and gives outputs. But when you open the box, there's no clear map, just billions of weighted connections, an ocean of probability. Even the engineers who built it can't say for sure. Why did the AI reject this loan application? Why did it flag that face as a threat? Why did it suggest this patient has cancer? The truth is, we don't always know. And that's not just an inconvenience. It's a crisis of trust, ethics, and safety. When AI is used in hiring, policing, healthcare, or military drones, transparency isn't optional, it's critical. Because if we can't explain an AI's decision, how can we hold it accountable? Or worse, what if it's biased, flawed, or dangerous? And we never know. In 2018, a self-driving car struck and killed a pedestrian. Later investigations revealed the AI system had seen the person, but failed to recognize her as a threat in time. Why? Nobody knew exactly. Too many layers, too many variables, too much black box. So what makes it so hard to understand? Here's the technical bit. Modern deep learning networks use layers upon layers of neurons, often hundreds, each processing bits of information and adjusting internal weights. These weights change based on feedback, rewarding accuracy, punishing error, until the AI becomes good enough to solve complex problems. But unlike human logic, these decisions aren't made with clear rules. They're made through math, abstract patterns spread across millions of parameters. In essence, it's like trying to understand a dream by dissecting a brain scan. You may think, why not just force the AI to explain itself? Well, that's the next frontier, Explainable AI or XI. Researchers are working hard to develop tools that reveal how a model arrived at its decision, like heat maps that show which parts of an image the AI focused on, or decision trees that simulate the AI's thinking. But even these are approximations, shadows of the full logic inside. And yet, governments, banks, corporations, they're using these black box systems right now to make decisions that affect your life. From whether you get a job, to how much you pay for insurance, to whether you're placed on a security watch list. So here's the terrifying truth. The world is slowly being run by decisions no one fully understands. This doesn't mean we should stop using AI. Far from it. It means we need urgent guardrails, transparent design practices, human oversight, ethics audits, legal frameworks that demand accountability. Because if a system is too complex to explain, maybe it's too risky to trust, at least in high-stakes scenarios. AI can be a force for good. It's already helping doctors catch tumors earlier, helping people with disabilities communicate, helping students learn in personalized ways. But to truly trust these systems, we need to pull back the curtain and stop worshiping the mystery. In the age of intelligent machines, understanding is power. The black box is not just a technical issue, it's a human one. Because when decisions affect real lives, we don't know how it works isn't good enough. Let's build AI we can trust. Let's make it explainable. Let's demand clarity before it's too late. The AI black box, why even engineers fear it. Subscribe for more insights into the world of tech, ethics, and AI.